Hi, viewers, followers, everyone involved with this video. Thank you so much for having time with us once again. I really appreciate your time here. Today we have a simple problem here to solve, and we're going to actually simplify the following. We have A, x, y, z all over 4, y, z. We're going to actually simplify that. B, x squared plus 2x all over x squared minus 3. We actually simplify that as well. And then C, we have x minus 2 all over 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. We actually simplify that as well. So in simplifying this, we just have to divide and cancel, or just look at the properties or the elements that appear on both sides to cancel. We don't have a big deal here, we don't have a lot to do here. All you need to do is just watch and cancel, and then we simplify to the lowest form. All right, shall we do that quickly? So here we have, we have x, y, z, and 4y. So this y can take away this y, this z can take away this z. So we have x over 4 here. As simple as that. I think we don't have a lot to do here. Okay. All right, so shall we look at the second one? So here we have x at both sides. So we can decide to factorize x out. So we have x plus what? 2. Remember, if you multiply this inside, you are getting back to this. All right, all over here, we have x here, we have x here too. So we've got to simplify or subtracting or factorizing x out of another x inside minus what? 3. So here, this x can cancel this x. We have x plus 2 all over x minus what? 3. As simple as that. Okay, let's look at the third one, as a C. So we have x minus 2 all over. Now when you look at this place, we have, let's just put our bracket there. All right, here what it means is that we're supposed to find two factors here, factor 1, factor 2. So to find the two factors here, we find a way to label them in the way that if it's going to be x equals to 4, they will put x minus 4. If here is going to be, let's say, x equals to minus 2, they will put x is equals to 2. So that way, because equated to 0, then you will be simplified and you have the right sign or element attached to it. Let's look at this carefully. This is more or less a linear equation. And so for us to be able to find the factors here, I think we have already solved many questions under quadratic linear equations. So for us to be able to deal with that, like I said earlier, you have to multiply the coefficient of x squared or coefficient of x to constant c. Then you will find the product. Now, that product that you found, you've got to find factors of that product. Then pick two factors. Now, any of those two factors that when you add, you'll be able to get the product that you've gotten. And when you multiply, you'll be able to get the value of what? C. Let's look at something here. So here we have 2 by 2. That is this. Okay. That gives us what? Minus 4. So factors of 4 can have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and all that. Let's stop here and continue. So let's pick two of these factors so that when we multiply them, we are going to get minus 4. And when we add them, we are going to get b, that is minus 3. I hope I'm making sense here. Let's pick two factors here. When we multiply them, we are going to get minus 4. When we add them, we are going to get b here, which is minus 3. So we can take, for my opinion, we can take minus 4 and 1. Okay, minus 4 and 1. Why? Because when you multiply them, you are going to get minus 4 here. When you add them, you are going to get minus 3 here. So minus 4, 1 is the best for us to use. All right. So minus 4, 1. That is what we are going to use. So we have, so for minus 4, 1, there's going to be x plus 4. And here's x minus 1. So when you put here x is equals x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equals to minus 4. You see that? That's the minus 4 we had here. Then we have here x minus 1 is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. So the 1 is supposed to be positive here too. When you add them, you get negative 3. When you multiply them, you get negative 4. That is what we've got here. So the value of x here, or here is supposed to be x plus 4, and then here is x what? Minus 1. This is the end of this problem. And thank you so much for watching. God richly bless you. Bye.